Welcome to Writer's ER. Today we're talking about a super important part of your dissertation, the discussion section. This is where you bring your research to life and show what your findings really mean. It can be a bit scary, but don't worry. We're here to help you write a great discussion section that highlights the importance of your research. So what's the discussion section all about? It's not just a recap of your results. It's your chance to explain what your findings mean, how they fit into your field, and how they could change things. This is your moment to show how your research fills gaps, challenges old ideas, and opens up new questions. How do you start? First, clearly state your main findings, but don't just repeat what you said in the results section. Talk about what your findings mean. For example, if you found a link between social media use and school performance, say this and then talk about what it could mean for teachers and policymakers. Next, connect your results with other studies. This is where your literature review comes in. Compare your findings to previous studies, talk about differences, and discuss why these might exist. Differences aren't bad. They're interesting discussion points. Maybe your methods were different, or maybe your sample was more diverse. These are all interesting things to talk about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then be honest about the limitations of your study. This might seem strange. Why talk about the flaws? But in academic writing, being honest about limitations shows that you understand your research. Talk about things like sample size or method issues, but don't stop there. Talk about how these limitations could lead to future research. Now let's talk about the impact of your research. Your research doesn't live in a bubble, it has real effects. Talk about these. If your study on social media use shows it could negatively affect students, suggest steps that teachers or parents can take. Maybe it's about teaching digital literacy or setting healthy social media rules. This part of your discussion isn't just academic, it's a bridge to the real world. After talking about the impact, it's time to speculate a bit. Be careful here and stay grounded in evidence. This is where you can suggest what your findings might mean for future trends or research. For example, does your study suggest a change in how we see social media's role in education? What could this mean for future school policies or classroom practices? Finally, let's make your discussion section shine. Use clear, easy to understand language. You're not writing a mystery novel. You want to be understood. Avoid complex terms and explain any jargon. Your readers shouldn't need a dictionary to get through your dissertation. It's also important to keep a logical flow. Each paragraph should connect to the next. Think of it as telling a story, the story of your research. You're guiding the reader on a journey from understanding your results to seeing the big picture. Wrapping up your discussion section, you'll want to finish strong. This is your chance to sum up the main points, highlight the importance of your findings, and leave a lasting impression. Your conclusion isn't just the end of a chapter, it sparks thought, conversation, and action. Remember, your discussion section is more than just data. It's your story. It's where your voice as a researcher shines through. Be confident in your analysis, honest about the limitations, and bold about what your work could mean. Your discussion isn't just a reflection of your research, it shows your critical thinking and your contribution to your field. In short, your discussion section brings your research full circle. It's where all the complex pieces come together and make sense. So embrace this challenge. With these tips, you're not just ready to write your discussion section, you're ready to make it a highlight of your academic journey. Thanks for joining us at Writer's ER. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on dissertation writing and research. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll tackle another part of your academic journey. Remember, writing a dissertation is a marathon, not a sprint, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. The discussion section is your time to shine. It's your chance to show how your research adds to your field, challenges current thinking, and sets up future studies. So take a deep breath, gather your thoughts, and let's turn those findings into a compelling discussion that leaves a lasting impact. Your dissertation is more than just a paper. It's a testament to your hard work and passion. And the discussion section? That's the heart of your dissertation. It gives life and meaning to your research. So approach it with confidence and creativity. With these strategies, you're not just writing a section of your dissertation. You're crafting a story that can inspire and ignite change.